Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite with high ping. High ping means there's a noticeable delay between your actions and what happens in the game. This can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can still perform well. It's all about understanding the limitations and adjusting your strategy to compensate for that slight lag. Don't give up. Many players succeed even with less than ideal connections. To start, optimize your setup. A wired Ethernet connection is always superior to Wi-Fi, offering a more stable and faster connection. Also, ensure no other applications or downloads are hogging your internet bandwidth. Within Fortnite, lower your graphics settings. Reducing visual fidelity can significantly decrease input lag, giving you a slight edge even with a high ping. Every little bit helps. When playing, adopt smart tactics. Focus on defensive building and editing. Creating cover quickly is paramount. Engage in longer-range combat using weapons like sniper rifles or assault rifles, where precise aim matters more than split-second reactions. Avoid close-quarters battles as much as possible, as these heavily rely on immediate responses. Think strategically about every engagement to maximize your chances. Finally, practice and adapt. Spend time in creative mode to get a feel for building and editing with your specific delay. Learning to predict opponent movements and pre-fire can turn the tide in many situations. Remember, patience is key. Celebrate small victories and focus on continuous improvement. With dedication, you can absolutely become a formidable player, even with a high ping.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.